Just catching up with ICE rider Jared Jonker. You were here last year, finished second overall, second in the pro class. How are the conditions changing for this year?
I hear it's going to be pretty similar. I guess it's going to be pretty wet, some deep water, so just try and keep it right side up and have a good day. I just got 2 new bib mooses, some fresh tires, so.
Jared Jonker, ready to go. Jared Jonker running on row 6 today. You finished 3rd overall.
Yeah, I had a good day. Just tried to keep the mistakes to a minimum and rode smooth, and it all worked out.
Any changes for today?
Just going to try and keep it smooth and try not to make too many mistakes, and we'll see what happens.
We've got Alberta, Ontario, Quebec today. Who's going to win it?
I don't know. It all depends on who makes the least mistakes. It could be anybody. They're all riding really good, so it should be interesting.
Riviére Rouge, Day 2, Promation National Enduro Championship.
Yeah. Hey, pretty close. Oh, man.
Jared Jonker.
Good day?
Yeah. The face of Enduro.
That's right.
That's one weekend on that tire?
I did Anthill and this weekend on it, so.
Okay.
Jared Jonker, 6-day medalist. Rockville, Ontario, Mr. Jared Jonker.
Thanks to Terry and all the volunteers for the awesome course, and my sponsors, Beta Canada and Tour Performance Plus. Thank you.